Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ted Kaczynski, and this is Carpentry Eye for the Computer Guy. The whole premises of Carpenter Eye for the Computer Guy is to buy the cheapest materials available. Cheapest. This is cardboard or something. We're going to furnish an attic that's about 110 degrees with cardboard.
So what happens if this stuff gets wet? What happens?
This type of wood, that's the type of wood it is. When it gets wet, it basically turns into Raisin Bran that's been sitting for 18 minutes on your countertop with a bowl full of milk. More like a booklet, it's in my eye.
Goddamn bug.
So.
You want?
I don't know what the hell to say.
Host, hold this.
Host sucks. The only thing we know how to host is websites. Ah! You're gonna cut this curve right here that my thumb just did? Thumb curve.
You know, that is an uneven cut.
There's nothing better than shitty wood. I'm waiting for you to just stop.
Yeah, we definitely do light in here, dude.
I'm stuck.
Watch your head, dude.
About 6 years ago, a young girl was murdered up here. Now we have to cover up the blood.
Which way are you going?
Whichever way I feel like going. Why not go anyway? It doesn't fucking matter, you fuck!
You might as well keep the nice side.
The nice side. Like there's a nice side of cardboard. Keep the nice side up.
Take that and go.
Should I put the granola bar end over there?
You put this up, the raisins will come.
If you build it, the raisins will come.
From that wall?
Oh, you want to go over there?
Yeah, because I want to do it.
Pull the string out. Pull the string out.
Jesus, is the tampon gonna hit me in the head? Pull the string out.
But then when yeah, fuck it. Let's
Just like this.
Yeah.
What do I need? What you really want? Oh! Oh!
Wouldn't it be easier just to hammer the nails down?
Which nails?
These nails. Just hammer them down.
Yeah, no, that's
Probably get done
I
faster.
spent $130 on shit wood.
Cardboard. 2 inches.
Want me to get the pencil? No pencil. Yo, where's the pencil? I don't see it out there on the table or anything. Is it in anyone's pockets?
Oh, there it is.
The first nail is driven in. So what you guys were gonna use screws?
Yeah, we found a box of nails in the basement. We bought screws and found a box of nails.
What do you need first?
I'll translate. He's doing these first, and then he's going to go over with drywall screws.
Tighten it up.
Exactly, to tighten it up. I can taste it.
Oh, shit.
I can feel it, bitches! I believe I can fly.
Oh, get the fucking Mr. Pink and Mr. White poster.
Man, yeah, there's like some weed posters there too, bro.
Dude, you should put those
There's a blacklight poster in there, bro.
No, Ollie.
It's like a 7-foot blacklight downstairs.
Yeah, there's a 7-foot blacklight in the basement.
Is there really?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna set that up?
Who said he was?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the bathroom.
We're gonna untie this thing. I'm gonna put this in here for now.
Take that thing and put it in there.
Just make sure we don't keep it in there.
Seal it up.
Get the
Wash your hand.
You never turn the light off again.
Look at Craig's excellent sewing skills.
Which one should I go with?
I'm on this one. Like, you overshoot it, man. There's like plenty of space.
Listen, you won't know when you have the white.
You apparently will know. That looks all professional, right? Meet me by the crossroads.
Trick number 2.
Professionalism at its best.
Yeah.
In theory, no.
But in reality, it is.
Yeah. In theory, it's not reality.
Tell me when you're good.
I'm good, yeah.
Yeah? Is it flush?
About as flush as it's gonna get. Leave it to Beaver 2000?
Oh wait, I'm running out of nails. All excess materials get thrown behind the walls or down to the kitchen.
Almost had a damaged cameraman here, dude.
Throwing sharp things at the camera. Oh, really?
Translation?
I have no fucking clue. I didn't make it into a beam? I don't know. I can't stand you.
So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna decide.
Why don't you guys like sit closer so I can...
I'm a Playgirl model.
What are you?
I'm a Playgirl model.
I like when we walk on the beach.
I can see up the legs of your fucking shorts. Ah! What's that? You got a piece of gum on your leg.
Ow! I like hairy backs and foot massages all night long.
I like girls who take dumps on me.
I like girls with hairy armpits.
You like when
You like to put me in a full Nelson. Give me a noogie.
I have to sit up in this room for a while?
I like girls. I like girls with really long clitorises, no breasts, and hairy armpits.
And that's a turn on for me.
That's a dude, Dick. That's a dude.
Long clitorises?
Yeah.
I don't even know what a clitoris is.
How did we know this was gonna happen?
Clitoris or clitoris?
See a fucking thing, dude. This is the accent in a different place.
No, clit or...
Oh, what? You don't understand my
Core.
Copeg accent? Is that what it is? The big
She-
move from having to go Copeg.
You're switching up the lingo.
Got a pencil in
My
my ear.
lingo.
Now I just need some FUBU clothes and I'll fit in.
I hate PCs.
Who said a PC?
You said it was disgusting. I said so was a PC.
Oh, yeah.
You Mac fucks.
Oh.
PC, if you guys worked on Macs, you have nothing to fix.
Exactly. That's why I do
Maybe
graphics
start
in video. You know what I mean?
Use it.
Yeah. 4, 6.
Give it away, I appreciate it.
Goya.
Oh,
Goya?
boy.
Remember the Goya commercials?
That was a Goya commercial?
Yeah.
Oh, was it?
2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate Goya? Yeah, remember? With the
Oh,
whole
boy.
Spanish-
Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember Goya, oh boy. I don't remember the freaking countdown.
He's like,
Final countdown to
Goya.
ground control to Major Goya.
Oh, boy. Maybe
Oh
both.
boy, Mr. Goya.
Yeah, Goya, oh boy. I remember that. Was it?
Goya. Oh boy, I got some Goya.
Remember the potato chips Boise's? Oh, Boise's are all boisterous, and they had a song for it.
I remember him. That's why I'm laughing.
New tater skins from Keebler. Baked potato with Keebler.
It's beer time.
So unbelievably hot. It's not pouring.